Okay, all the BMX homeboys and home gals. Casmi BMX. I'm Sev360 Casmi, aka Seven, Mr. Sevo, all these names. And this is my bike. Fly campillo frame, 21 inch. Odyssey Twombolt cranks. You can see right there. See that? Odyssey Twombolt 175s. StolenThermalite pedals. Odyssey Aitken 2.25 tire. Yeah. My animal sticker, gotta have that because I ride at the animal warehouse because I'm just, so G like that. KHE cirrus fork, very light, very strong. About the best fork I've ever had, and I've had a lot because I keep breaking them. Premium Lite V2 front rim, another Odyssey Aitken tire, same dimensions as the rear. And Primo Annihilator stem, front load hollow bolts, BSD bars, and I'm not going to tell you the rides because they are a custom rides. Bet you didn't know that you could get custom bars from BSD, now did you? Stolen money grips. I cut the flanges off right there and flipped it around so that the fat part is there, so it's easier to grip. I got a carbon fiber spacer on an animal headset, and Primo rear hub, left hand drive because that's how I ride, because I'm just G like that. My chain is it's a mutt, it's like a mutt dog because it's half spank chain. See the difference in the links between these and these? Half spank chain and half shadow interlock chain. So it's actually really strong, and I didn't do it on purpose. Poverty seat because I don't care about seats. Animal seat post painted white. And what else is there to my bike? Nothing else is left to my premium bar end. One premium part other than the rim that I have. And I think my rim looks pretty good. Matte black with white spoke nipple, with white spokes and red spoke nipples. Pretty sick to me. Alright. Well, that's my fly. And everybody, stay Casmi. Casmi up. Peace.